So I did something today. I did a big something today. Oh my god. I still can't believe that I did this. Oh my god. Oh my god, what did I do? Casper, what did I do? Oh god. So, Casper, you're gonna hate me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ah! You guys don't even know it's hurt. Now, this I do not need a knife for because, well, I hope I don't need a knife for because it has the easy pull tab. Are you guys ready? I know. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'm shaking. And then I got, oh, I'm shaking. What was that? Oh my god. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh god, don't fall. Hey! Hey! You don't step on the apple bag. How dare you? Because I did sell my Folio keyboard just because I wasn't using it. And I didn't buy one because I don't really need it personally for myself. I don't know how to act. It's so... Okay, so this is my iPad. When I measured it, it was just the screen with like half, maybe time to shrink down an inch. I don't want to open it. Oh my god, it's so precious. It's not a god, but it's very similar. Casper doesn't care. He's chilling. And today my setup is in my room just because my aunt and my mom are watching some TV downstairs. I wanted to buy a tripod for Hawaii, but the Osmo 3 was a little bit, it was $2 more expensive. Okay, let's unbox the pencil first, okay? This does have a tab, okay. Oh, I can't return it now. Does Casper want to come inside? Oh, my tab. Oh, do not bite this. Do not bite this. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, there's slobber on it. Oh, don't fall out. Oh, don't fall out. Okay. Okay. Some paperwork. No itty bitty stickers. The pencil itself. Did that even work? So about my current Apple Pencil, it's slightly bent at an angle. If you can see as I rotate it, it's like, oh, slightly bent. It was like this when I first got it from the person I bought it from. So maybe they press a little too hard, but it's okay. It still works perfectly fine. But this is brand new, so I better not bend this. I don't even know where to put things. Okay, so next is the case. How in the mother truckin' land do I open this? Oh, there's a tab. But yes, a tab for what? Do I push? Oh, I push. It has been revealed. The white iPad Folio smart case. Fake iPad. There's no paperwork for this one. So back is completely white. Inside is like a tinted gray suede. Big Daddy. Okay, so I got the 64 gig 12.9 silver iPad Pro 3rd generation. I originally wanted to get everything engraved. I wanted to get my Wrong Apple Pencil. I wanted to get my Chinese name engraved on here. I wanted to get a quote engraved on the back, but it would have taken too long and I would have already been in Hawaii, so it was not worth it. I just decided, F this. So I went into the store and then I picked it up in the store. What are you playing with? There's nothing in here, huh? Okay, so this does have a tap, so I don't need a knife. Oh, there's no going back. There's no going back. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh my God. Yeah, that took all my muscle. It does open this up, right? I don't want to damage the box. The box in itself is expensive as well. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, Jesus Christ. So this is my iPad. I'm trying to hold it so it doesn't fall down. Oh my God, don't break. Oh, please don't break. You want me to hug you? Would you? Once I remove this plastic, there's absolutely no going back. Let's do this. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. Where's the case? It's in my lap. Okay, I'm gonna put it immediately in the case. Watch me drop this. Hey! Okay, using my nails gently. Gentle, gentle. Oh. So close. In my face. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna grip and place. The plastic is stuck inside. Oh God, I broke the plastic. The magnets are that strong, I broke the plastic. Okay. Let's just lift, get that plastic out of there, and drop. Wow, those magnets are strong. No fingerprints. Ah! Let's open this up, and let's power it on. She's under my bed. So, oh, hello. Hello. Indeed. English, por favor. United States. Okay, yes, I do. Bring it nearby to sign in automatically. I have my iPad. Set up new iPad. Continue. Oh, position this image in frame of your other iPad. Okay, hang on. This is difficult. I'm stupid. I thought it was the front-facing camera, but it was the back-facing camera. Oh, it's setting up. Oh, it's setting up. I should not be holding it in one hand, but it's setting up. I got two hands. This popped up. Continue. Face ID. We're in the next generation, people. We were already there, but now I'm there too. Okay, now there are officially fingerprints on this iPad. Okay, so while this is setting up my Apple ID, I don't know what to do. I have too many things now. Oh my God, I'm one of those people. I'm gonna leave this in my lap while we go through what's in the box. Okay, papers, stickers, the face, okay, learning paperwork, how to configure the new iPad, all the thingies you need. USB-C, which I love, and then dongle. USB-C makes everything so much more easy. Ah! Yes, I would like to install iPad 13.1.2. I didn't really buy anything else. I say that like I only bought one thing, but I didn't buy anything else. I bought this, and then I bought the pencil, and then the case. That's all I really bought for this because I already have a USB-C to USB-A adapter that I had bought originally for my other computer. So hopefully this connects really well, but it's okay. Okay, I from K9 Gunpla is out.